Arpit, leave us with your stock ideas too.
Yeah. So overall, looking at the market breadth, there are a couple of ideas that are still holding well. First would be from the cable space, KEI Industries. So looking at the overall chart split of KEI Industries, range breakout on the weekly scale above 4,050 levels. In spite of market weakness, it is holding its gains. Looking overall, the setup very strong. So one can go long with stop loss of 4,020 for an upside move towards 4,300 levels. Second would be from a gold finance sector, and that is Muthoot Finance. So overall, the chart structure is very strong. Today also it made a new life high. Managed to surpass its previous swing high of 28.5, holding well. A range breakout on the daily and the weekly scale looks good for new life high towards 2,900 levels with keeping stop loss of 27.80.
Okay, Arpit, thanks so much for sharing your take on the markets and your stock-specific recommendations. But well, only a couple of minutes left for the market to shut shop for today, and let's hand it over to Shrishti to take us through what the trading day has looked like. Shrishti.
Well, indeed, historic announcements made on the GST front, and let's start wrapping up for the day as well for the markets. And you are catching us live from the SBI Live studios. And firstly, on the market front for the benchmark indices, yes, we are off the day's highest point, but after that 15th August announcements, the markets were very excited, and a whole host of sectors will be the key beneficiaries. But on the index front, a flat closing is what we have seen. 24,700 still maintained, and we retained that mark for the Nifty 50. We were managed to hold that mark for itself, but for the Nifty Bank, we managed to lose all of the gains. But we can't say so for the sectoral picture overall. Look at the move that we have seen in the autos, despite the fact that from 15 August till now, the two-wheelers have shown fantastic moves. Select passenger vehicle counters have seen no stopping, and today marks yet again another day wherein a 1% jump on Nifty Auto is what we have seen, and M&M, that was the top gainer on the Nifty 50 side. Other than that, Nifty Financial Services, that was also up almost 0.5%. FFNG too was seen to be buzzing after the whole host of announcement we have seen with respect to boosting the consumption, not just for the staples. Other than that, even the dairy products, add to that list is consumer discretionary, ACs, and so forth. The list is very long, and from all these packs, we have seen so many counters, be it from the staples, Dabur, HUL, Nestle. These were the top gainers, and even the retail counters were seen to be buzzing. The pharma, Nifty Metals, Nifty PSU Bank, they were seen to be taking a bit of a backseat in today's trading session. But let's quickly mark some of the gainers on the Nifty 50 side. And yes, M&M, this move was followed by Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv. They were the top gainers. The insurance pack also had some announcement with respect to the waiver of the GST in their products, which is expected to increase the penetration in the times ahead. But Apollo Hospitals, after a whole host of cuts that has been announced for select segments, be it medicines, be it the consumption with respect to some of the companies that are still undergoing capex. We did talk to the management of Apollo Hospitals. They were very bullish on that. 2% uptick is what we have seen. Cement counters too had a good day like Grasim, but on the flip side, select life insurance counters, banking names, they were seen to be a bit under pressure. So all in all, a very good day coming in for the markets. We are off the day's highest point, but historic announcements being made on the GST front. But with this, time now to slip into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.